Today, we're diving into one of Tudor's latest releases, a watch that's made quite a splash in the world of dive and tool watches. Meet the Tudor's Pelagos FXD GMT, a blend of Tudor's heritage, functionality, and a bit of modern edge. Whether you're an avid diver, a Tudor collector, or just someone fascinated by well-made watches, this one is definitely worth a closer look. What's up people, welcome back to my channel. If you're a fan of dive watches, Tudor, or just love exploring incredible timepieces, today's episode is for you. We've been talking about the Tudor Pelagos FXD GMT, a watch that combines Tudor iconic Pelagos line with a fresh, bold GMT functionality. We'll go over the specs, the design, and how it wears on the wrist. So let's just dive right in. Let's start with a bit of background. Tudor has always been known as the sister brand of Rolex, delivering watches that embody quality and craftsmanship at a more accessible price. The Pelagos line has been a favorite among dive watch enthusiasts because it's designed for serious underwater action. In 2021, Tudor released the Pelagos FXD, an homage of the brand's historical association with military diving. FXD stands for Fixed Strap Bars, a reference to the unique fixed lug bars, a design choice directly inspired by Tudor's past collaboration with the French Navy. And now, with the addition of GMT functionality, the FXD GMT brings a new layer of versatility and adventure. Alright, let's talk about what makes the Pelagos FXD GMT tick. Starting with the case, it's titanium, a lightweight yet incredibly durable material that's resistant to corrosion. And let's be real, the matte titanium finish is just gorgeous. I'm told that whilst the case is made out of a grade 2 titanium, the Caseback here is a grade 5 titanium. What's the difference between the two, you ask? The grade 2 is pure titanium that is lightweight and has a low density, whereas the grade 5 is an alloy of titanium, aluminium, and vanadium, which is scratch resistant and has a high strength to weight ratio. The watch has a 42mm case diameter, which is standard for the Pelagos line, and it has a thickness of around 12.7mm, making it slimmer than you would expect for a dive watch. What's interesting here is that despite the additional date and GMT function, it is 0.1mm slimmer than the Pelagos FXD Diver. Approximately 52mm in length, the lug width is around 22mm. Moving to the bezel, this is where the magic happens. It is a bi-directional 24-hour bezel that gives you the GMT function, allowing you to track a second and a third time zone. The matte vintage-inspired ceramic bezel with its scratch-resistant properties and clear 24 hours markings looks stunning and also has a very tactile feel when you turn it. Now the dial. Tudor went for a very legible design here. The matte black dial contrasts nicely with the large luminescent painted beige hour markers and the signature snowflake hands. The GMT hand stands out with a bright orange pointer, making it easy to track at a glance. The words Pelagos GMT on the dial is also orange, whereas the rest of the words and logo are in beige. The date at the 3 o'clock also has a beige background with black numerals. And the lume? For serious lume enthusiasts, you will love this. The Pelagos FXD GMT features BGW9 Superluminova, which gives off that crisp blue glow on the dial and hands and a vibrant green on the bezel, allowing for excellent visibility in dark or underwater conditions. Let's talk about the engine driving this timepiece. The Pelagos FXD GMT is powered by the Tudor caliber MT5652U, an automatic movement that's COSC and META certified. Tudor has really delivered here in terms of accuracy, and with a 65 hours power reserve, you could set it down on a Friday evening, pick it up on a Monday morning, and it'd still be ticking. The movement is also resistant to magnetism of up to 15,000 Gauss thanks to a silicone balance spring. This is a nice touch if you're planning to use this watch in rough environment where you might encounter magnetic fields. An interesting thing to note about the Caseback here is that while it has the Marine Nationale logo on it, the logo has additional wings instead of just an anchor, representing the aeronautic naval, the aviation component of the French Navy. The number 24 on the Caseback represents the delivery year, i.e. 2024. Next year, it will be 25. Get it? Since there's only a couple of months left before 2024 ends, the 24 model will be regarded as a very limited issue. So how does the Pelagos FXD GMT wear on the wrist? With the fixed lugs, the watch comes exclusively with a fabric strap, a move Tudor made to align with the original military-style watch design. Personally, I find it very comfortable. It's breathable, adjustable, and sits low on the wrist. Having said that, and notwithstanding the titanium construction, it is heavier than expected. That said, because of those fixed lugs, you won't be able to swap it out for a regular bracelet. This could be a downside if you like to change strap frequently, but I think the fabric strap suits the watch perfectly. Are there any other straps that you can think of that could fit this watch? So let's talk about the price. At the time this video was made, the Tudor Pelagos FXD GMT is priced as follows. For what you're getting, a COSC and META certified movement, lightweight titanium case, a triple time zone functionality, 200 meter of water resistance, I think Tudor has priced this very competitively. It's a luxury piece but with a practical 2-watch sensibility. To wrap things up, I think the Tudor Pelagos FXD GMT is a standout. It's a dive GMT watch that doesn't just stop at being a dive watch. With the addition of GMT, it is a perfect companion for travelers, adventurers, or anyone who just appreciates a well-made timepiece. Thanks for watching this in-depth review. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this Tudor Pelagos FXD GMT. Will you add this to your collection, or is there another Tudor model you prefer? Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to support this channel, as it really helps me to do more reviews such as this. And until the next time, take care now, bye bye now.